What's up guys, Pokemon Kid here recording another video. Today we're unboxing this Pokemon trading card game Team Up. Let's go. It's finally better now now that I can record and open this with two hands. Here we have the pack. You got the code. You guys can scan it. And we got a Pikachu card. I'm a big fan of Pikachu. That's why I got that Pikachu and I made that Pikachu account. Anyways, it's time to open the card pack. Let's see who we get. Okay, we got some good ones. You got Meowth, Boy Nidoran, Larviar, Psyduck, Vulpix, Charmander, Holographic, Pinsir, Energy, Electrocharger, Hitmonchan, and Graph Memory. Well, I'm gonna have to start recording. See you guys next time. Bye.